in peace.
Oh
I used to
my
have them
God.
as a kid
Yeah.
and used to go ferreting with them, and you'd put them down the rabbit burrows and put nets over the holes,
Yeah.
and the rabbits would fly out into the net.
What? They're cute. Look at them. Wow. I've never seen such an animal before.
Yeah. So
Wow.
Charlie said, "Oh, we can go and get them." And there's 3 does,
Yeah.
and he said, "Oh, we'll breed them."
Yeah.
He's going to get so much a little one for him and all this stuff.
Yeah.
And you know who's looking after him, don't you?
You.
Because his mum won't have him in town there.
I've never seen such an animal before.
They don't sort of fight amongst themselves.
No, they don't.
Sort of thing.
Another beautiful day, guys. Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Doing what we love doing. Hello. So this is what we're gonna be doing over here. So we're gonna be running. I don't know if you can see, the sun is a bit on my head. We're gonna be running this pipe from over there, or actually from here. We're gonna be taking it all the way that way to that tank over there, and then we can save some water from the rain. And then after that, what we're thinking to do is we're gonna be taking as well some rainwater from this roof over here, and then bring it all the way over there. So that's the job we are doing now. It's a bit of a plumbing issue, so that's what we're doing. We've got everything we need over here, and some of our tools are on that side. So that's what we're doing, and we'll show you how we go after this once we're done. So we just run the pipe from there, somewhere there, and then we're just gonna connect another one from there. We're gonna make a T, connect it, and then bring it all the way here at the same time from there as well. Bring it from there to there, and we're gonna be saving a lot of water from the rain in Australia. Stay tuned. So we've done with the other side, and we are now coming here on this one as well. This is another one that we're going to be doing over here. So it looks like this. That's how it looks like. So we need to attach that one to that tank over there, and then bring another one from that corner over there to here, and then we bring it to this tank over here. So that's another plan for now. So let's see how we go from here. That's how we do it. Guys, finishing up in style, a little bit of plumbing. So you can see we did all that there to here, and then here to there, and all the way to here. I don't know if you can see that. So it's finishing up this plumbing now, this piping over here, and then I'll show you the whole thing, how it looks like in a bit. No food for you. No food for you. Yeah? Look at you. So cute, eh? Hey? Look at them. Very cute. Very cute. What kind of animal is this one? What kind of animal is this? Nice and cute. Look at the fingers. All right. Bye. See ya. Okay. And thank you guys for watching. It's been a beautiful day. We've done something that was supposed to be done, and we are happy. Yes, it's time now to go home, have a cup of tea, and I hope you enjoyed the video, short video about how I spend my day in the middle of nowhere in Australia. That's how I spend my day. Sometimes enjoying what I love to do. And yeah, here we are in our new motto. We'll be heading home soon. Take care of yourself, and thanks for watching. Cheers.